if you could add one ingredient to your meals to dramatically increase nutrition in just a few days, would you? Well, I've been eating broccoli sprouts in my daily salad for years, but now I'm clearing counter space so I can grow even more varieties right here in my kitchen. And the best part is I'm going to be sharing lots of ways that you can elevate your daily nutrition by including sprouts in your meals. Now, I'm not just talking about salads and sandwiches. I'm talking about making things with sprouts and adding sprouts to lots of different dishes. Now, a sprout is basically a seed that's just started growing, but think about what's happening inside that little seed. It contains everything that a future plant needs to get started. When you add water, you essentially wake up and activate it, which begins a whole series of changes inside the seed. Enzymes become active, stored nutrients begin to change, and within just a few days, that little seed becomes something completely different. That little seed becomes a nutrient-dense powerhouse packed with fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The germination process lessens anti-nutrients like phytic acid, making it easier for your body to absorb minerals like iron, zinc, magnesium, while also boosting digestible protein. And the amazing thing is, you don't need a garden, soil, grow lights, or even much space to grow sprouts. You can do this right on your kitchen counter. Now, for most people, you only need one kit to grow enough sprouts for an entire family. But I eat over 50 different plants a day, so I like growing several varieties of sprouts at once to increase the amount of nutrients I'm getting and to further diversify my gut microbiome, which is a key component to gut health and overall health. Now, here's the part that surprises a lot of people. Growing sprouts is ridiculously simple.
You'll want to start by measuring your seeds into your clean sprouting jar. Next, you want to soak your seeds in clean or filtered water for 8 hours. Now, once your seeds are finished soaking, you'll drain the soaking water and rinse them a couple of times with fresh water. Then you want to rotate your jar to coat the sides with seeds and place the jar on the stand to allow any excess water to drain. Then you'll simply rinse and drain your sprouts twice a day, and when they're ready, you'll give them a final rinse and remove the hulls like you see me doing here if you want your sprouts to last even longer. Now finally, make sure to remove any excess water and store the sprouts in the fridge in a loosely covered container to allow for some airflow.
Now, obviously the first thing you need to get started are seeds, and I feel it's very important to use quality seeds specifically intended for sprouting. I'm using sprouting kits and seeds from the Sprouting Company, and I have provided a link to the company as well as a discount code that you can use to get your kits and seeds at a reduced price. Now listen, you can absolutely sprout using traditional jar setups, but what I like about the Sprouting Company sprouter is that it was purpose-built for this, soaking, rinsing, draining, and growing all seamlessly in the same system. And I love that it has a stainless steel strainer. Now, for most people, anything that can help simplify or improve a process that creates healthy habits makes them much more likely to keep repeating that healthy habit. And the Sprouting Company kits and seeds are perfect for this, in my opinion. I eat a huge salad every day, and sprouts are always the first things I reach for to elevate the nutrition that I'm putting into my body. Broccoli sprouts are my personal favorite because of their high glucoraphanin content, but I also like using different varieties of sprouts together to get more nutrients and flavors. They're so versatile that you can add them to almost any savory meal. So remember, healthy eating does not have to be complicated. Sometimes the smallest additions can make the biggest difference, and sprouting is a perfect example of this. If you've never grown your own before, give it a try. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Let me know your favorite sprouts in the comments, and if you'd like more videos regarding sprouting, recipes, and healthy eating, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.